how to turn off autocorrect on Gboard. This tutorial shows you how to disable the autocorrect feature on the Gboard keyboard on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on General Management. From there, tap on On-Screen Keyboard to open the keyboard settings. At this point, tap on Gboard to open its settings. In the next step, tap on Correction and Suggestions to open the correction settings. Following this, you'll see a list of correction options, including autocorrection. Once done, tap the toggle next to autocorrection to turn it off. Finally, go to any app and start typing to confirm that autocorrect is no longer changing your words automatically. And that's it. If this Gboard guide helped you turn off autocorrect, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.